Welcome back, Jebel Ali. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add colors and textures and materials to make your buildings, your houses look realistic. So let's try that now. So I've started a little house design here from the last tutorial, and now I'm going to go on to here, which is the paint pot tool. Okay, so I click on there, and you'll see that it brings up a toolbar called materials here. Now, these are simple colors that you could use, but I'm going on to this section here, the browse section, and you can see you've got lots and lots of headings. You've got 3D printing, you've got asphalt and concrete, brick cladding and siding, carpet, colors, lots and lots of different materials. So for instance, we've got glass and mirrors. So if I click on there, and I scroll down, I've got lots of choices here. I can add some glass. So let's go for a nice glass that looks like that. So I click on my glass, and then this is going to be my window. So if I zoom in and click, can you see it creates glass? And then if I orbit, you can start to see inside your house. Isn't that amazing? So let's add some more windows. I'm just going to use my pan tool to move across. Maybe I'll try a different type of window here. Click on here, then use my paint tool, and it paints my windows with glass. Okay, let's just orbit again and have a look. So you can see inside, and that is looking really good. Now also, let me have a look at some other materials. Just close that menu. Let's have a look at brick, cladding, and siding. So if I click on there, you can give it some bricks. So let's go for this brick choice here. And then when I click on the side of my house, I've got bricks. Isn't that realistic? Now I can do that all around. So you need to do it on each of your edges. Isn't that starting to look cool? So if I add, add, and add, it's really useful here to use the orbit tool, and then you can see all the different edges that you can color. And that is looking fantastic. So there is my house with some bricks. Now I could even add some wood effect around my windows. Let's do that. So I'm going to close that menu and look for wood. Have I got some wood? Oh, there you go, wood. And just scroll down a bit further, and I'm going to have some wood effect around my window there. Click, and I can zoom right in and even get those parts there. Use the orbit tool to see all the different edges. That orbit tool is really good, along with the zoom tool. You can see all the different sections, and then using the paint tool, I can fill those in. And that starts to look pretty amazing, doesn't it? You start getting a really cool image really quickly. And that is how you use the paint tool like that. And then you've got the home part where it's just colors, and that actually shows the colors or the materials that I've just used. And then in the browse section, you can look through all the different parts. You've got tiles, synthetic surfaces, stone. There's absolutely everything. So if you're creating a sloped roof, which I'll show you in a later tutorial, you might want to use some roofing materials for that. And that is how you use the paint tool to add realistic effects to your house. And it's good to keep your character here because it gives you an idea of scale. Okay, try that, and I look forward to see you decorating your Google SketchUp shapes and houses. Take care and see you soon.